Hello my gems, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be creating this smoky subtle eye makeup look kinda. So before we get started, kindly to subscribe button and also the bell icon so that whenever I post a video you get notified. So without any further ado, let's begin with the normal skincare that I do before every freaking मेकअप वीडियो दैट इज़ अप्लाइंग अ टोनर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स प्राइमर. इस बार थोड़ा एस्थेटिक सोचे थे जूम इन करेंगे लेकिन पोपट हो गया तो फिर नॉर्मली निकाल दी मैं. So I'm applying here the Blue Heaven primer. It is a very good primer. It blur out your pores. Even it is quite affordable too. It is for rupees 300 only. You will get it in an off like 250 में तो आपको मिल ही जाएगा ऑफ मिला के. I only apply it on my nose area and somewhere in my T-zone because I sweat there a lot, so I apply there. I don't apply primer in my full face and I don't think कोई पूरे face में primer लगाता भी होगा. Really we are done with our step 1. Now moving towards the foundation. For foundation, recently I'm starting using the foundation brush. Basically I am here applying my Lakme foundation and then I will blend it out with the foundation brush. आप ये look बहुत ही easily create कर सकते हैं and you can definitely wear it during Diwali. It's a very subtle look so you can easily carry it out any occasion. So here I am blending out this foundation using this foundation brush from Swiss Beauty. I think foundation brush works a lot, means it makes your medium coverage foundation into high coverage, full coverage basically you can say, because ये सेम फाउंडेशन अगर हम ब्लेंडर से लगाते तो उतना अच्छा कवरेज नहीं मिलता. बट एवरीथिंग हैज़ इट्स एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज ऑल्सो, इसलिए इट डजंट लाइक बहुत स्मूथ फिनिश नहीं देता है. सो आफ्टर यूजिंग द फाउंडेशन ब्रश आई ऑलवेज यूज ब्लेंडर to just blend out so that I get this smooth finish, making sure that my foundation look like a second skin to me. Now moving towards the concealer and contouring. I'm using Blue Heaven concealer in different shade. My concealer shade is toffee and my contour shade is chocolate. So I'm just applying my concealer in a lifted mode in my bridge of my nose and above my upper lip. Also apply थोड़ा सा मेरे forehead में and then I keep it for like a 1 minute and then moving towards the contouring. I am moving towards the product. It is like a medium curve product, उतना अच्छा नहीं उतना ख़राब भी नहीं. You can easily blend it out. It is not full coverage, it is light to medium coverage basically. Here I am using my same beauty blender to just blend it out evenly. Always remember the fact that is less is more. You can use less product and make wonders with it, but ज़्यादा product use करने में it will make our makeup look cakey. Now I am blending my contour here, so always blend your contour down. Basically the idea behind it is that एक shadow provide करेगा, then it will make your jawline look sharper, which I don't have but trying to do. After applying our base product, it is really important to set so that makeup doesn't look cakey. So I'm using the Blue Heaven translucent powder to set my under eyes. So I take a little amount of translucent powder, Blue Heaven translucent powder, and apply it under my eyes, and then after a minute or less than a minute, 30 seconds कह सकते हैं, I just brush it off. It is a very important, and it is very important to bake over there, or also you can use compact powder, but I sometimes use translucent powder, sometimes compact. Now to set my makeup, I am using this fixing spray from Blue Heaven, which smells worst. It really smells worst, but it does the job. So I use it and I only own one, so thus I don't have options basically. लेकिन इसका प्राइस है शायद 300 and I don't think it is worth. तो मत लो, उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा आपको स्विस ब्यूटी का मिल जाएगा. आई डेंट हैव यूज़ इट बट आई रियली हर्ड गुड रिव्यूज़ अबाउट इट. इसका स्मेल मुझे टॉलरेट नहीं होता है लेकिन इट रियली फिक्सेस, मतलब काम कर लेता है. सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन टूवर्ड्स द आईज, द मेन पार्ट of our look. I have applied the same Blue Heaven concealer and then just dabbing it off. Also set my eye makeup, so I take a little amount of translucent powder and just brush it off ताकि थोड़ा सा set हो जाए, ज़्यादा नहीं. Always use brush. I cannot use like blenders for it, so I just brush it off. Now moving forward, I am using here the Mars eyeshadow palette in the shade Smoke It Up. It is really a good palette. I don't know how many times I have used this and I'm using this. Now I should make one palette 10 looks with this one only because it is such a versatile and the pigments are really great. So I'm here applying the brown shade, one of the brown shade as I showed you, the base, and then moving forward I am taking this black eyeshadow which I really love in a angled brush, small angle brush, and applying it over like an eyeliner and then just extending the eyeliner. Shade of the Mars eyeshadow palette is really good. It is not at all chalky, and this eyeshadow I think is available in 3 different shades. But yeah, and I'm now just blending the black eyeshadow and mixing it over with the present brown shade. It will help me in giving a smoky effect to my eyes. So moving forward, I will do the same process with my other eye. Finally, we are done with both of the eyes. Now taking this golden shimmer shade and applying it. Finally, we are halfly done with our eyes. Now we'll take the Blue Heaven काजल. It is a very good काजल. Waterproof नहीं है, थोड़ा smudge proof है, उतना भी नहीं पर थोड़ा सा है. But it is really pigmented. और 100 रुपये में what can we expect more, I think. And I'll just smudge the kajal using that same flat brush that I used for the applying it as a liner. Now taking some brown shade and mixing it with the kajal just to have a good effect. Coming to the start of the show, that is highlighter. I really love highlighter. I'll apply it on the inner corner of my eyes, and also I love to apply it on my brow bone. It just uplifts my brows. I really love वो sharp वाला जो effect देता है. I really love it. If you ask me what is my favorite position to apply a highlighter, I would say in my eyebrow bone, eyebrow bone, I don't know, but in that area only. I'll also apply it in my nose because my nose is not that sharp, just to make it sharp, just to make it look sharp basically. And I also apply it on my cupid's bone and also on the cheeks. And now moving to the Blue Heaven blush that smells divine. It smells like vanilla, to be very honest. Now I'm applying my red lipstick because festive or red lipstick comes in hand to me. I'm applying the Lakme 95 red lipstick in the shade Red Vibe. It is a very good red lipstick, very nice. It is smudge proof, it is waterproof too. I think you'll get it under rupees 400 only. Completing the look by applying mascara. It is also from Blue Heaven. I think a full-fledged Blue Heaven video ho gaya. But yeah, adding some jhumkas for that festive vibe, and then we are done. Voila, thanks for watching.